to one of Oracle tutorial. This is Ahmad. Today I'm going to discuss about Oracle Enterprise Manager 12c email notification in order that in case like Oracle listener or database is going down, so you will get an email alert notification. So in this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to receive email alert when the Oracle database or listener is down from OEM 12c Cloud Control into your email inbox. So let me discuss about something. Whenever the listener is going down, so all the application, the front end application, they will lose the connection with your database. So once the application or the front end lose the connection with the database, then the end user might not be able to do their operation. Similar, if the database goes down, so the front end, they will lose the connection with the database of Oracle. So in both way, the end user might not be able to do their daily operation. So what happened? So that's really a disaster. So as a DBA, you should not be called from the end user that what's happening. I lose the connection from, I lose my application connection with your database and the database is down, or I don't know. So they will keep asking you what's happening. So before anybody inform or anybody know that database or listener is down, so DBA should get an alert notification email in his email that indicate that listener or database is down. So today's concept is about how we can get an email that our listener or database is down. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to configure an email notification from the Oracle Enterprise Manager. So watch carefully. So follow all the steps. This will be very useful in case your supervisor or manager, they are interested to have automation in your organization. Let's say your supervisor is coming, hey DBA, can you help me to have can you do all your works as automation in case of listener is down, database is down, so we need to have receive an email. So this is the concept. So as a DBA, you should configure an automation on the Oracle Enterprise Manager side, so you'll get an email alert. So let's get started, but please make sure to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, so for latest update. So once you're already logged into your once you're logged into your Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control C, so what you can do is go to the C tab, and from C tab, what you can do is go to the incident roles, but make sure that before doing that, go to administrator and create an email there. Whoever receiving an alert notification, so you have to create their emails on the administrator side. Once you have created that email in the administrator side, then what you can do is go to the incident and then incidents role. So once you have collected the incidents role, so you will guide or you will be in this page, and now create roles sets. So click here, and then I'm gonna call this as a listener listener down, and then applies to all targets. Okay, I'm gonna let's say you have configured on the Enterprise Manager like 2 or 3 database, so that same role should be applied on all the targets, all the instances of database that you have. So once you have choose that one, now let's say we have to create roles here. Once you select it, then choose the first one, incoming events and updates to events. Continue. Once you are here, then you can select the about, you can say target availability. You can just choose that one. Okay. Once you have chosen, and then next, once you have selected that, then here what you can do is email to. Just click on the search bar and then add the email who wants to receive a DBA email, and then CC to your supervisor. Once you have done here, let me do myself, but I'm gonna pause. As you can see, I have added my email, and then I can add my supervisor email, and then you can send repeated notification like frequency 15 minutes, and then minimum repeat notification three times after every 15 minutes. Like you'll get 3 emails that the listener is down. So once you have selected that, and then once you have selected that, and then go to continue. As you can see, my email is here, and then next, and then you can name the roles here as a listener down. Once you have given a name, then click next, and then everything is okay. Continue, and then save it. Once you have saved, this role is set it up already in the Oracle Enterprise Manager. Now you're good to go. In case, let me save this. So I have saved this. As you can see, listener is down. I have already created an alert rules here in case, let's say tomorrow or any day, your listener goes down. Then Oracle Enterprise Manager immediately is going to send you an email to you indicates that listener is down. And then you can do for same for this was for listener, and let's your supervisor wants you to create same rules for the database in case if the database goes down. So again, come here, go to the incidents role, and then create new roles, and then you can say database down, apply to all targets, choose this one, and then here create roles, incoming events and update to events. Once you have choose that one, and then here, okay, next. Okay, you have to add the type matrix here. So what you can see say is database instance, because well we are creating alert for database instance in case it's down, so you have to choose that one. And then the matrix would say you can choose any DB alert log error, or you can just choose one of them. It's not necessary in case of me, I haven't choose that one. So so then next, target availability, next, and then create here the same. You have to add your emails here. I have added my email. How you can add, just click here and then it will pop up to insert your email. It will, because you already created under the administrator, CC your supervisor, and then continue. And then this is the email, and then next, and then give names, database down. This is the role's name. Next, continue. and save it. That's it. In case your database instance in the Oracle goes down, so Oracle Enterprise Manager immediately will send an email to you and who else is CC. It indicates that database is down. So as a DBA at that moment, you have to take an action like turning on the database, start up the listener, and then the application teams will be able to make a connection once your database is up and the listener is up. Thank you so much. Hopefully you find it useful. Thank you.